Imagine walking into Midland Evangelical Free Church in Midland, Michigan, and being hit with a Winter Wonderland spectacle like no other. Their creative team, led by Joshua Scott, brings us this enchanting set featuring string trees suspended from the ceiling. These aren't just any run-of-the-mill decorations. Each one utilizes 350 meters minimum of Uline high-quality white cotton twine. That's triple the amount used for most standard sets. The result is nothing short of breathtaking, an immersive experience that transports those who witness it straight to a snowy forest. The snow itself isn't made of actual flakes. They opted for quilt batting instead, a clever choice considering its lightweight durability and ease of use, not to mention how well it captures the soft glow of twinkling lights. Speaking of which, Joshua Scott and his team didn't skimp on lighting either. They placed one marbled parcan right at the center of each tree, creating a warm, inviting ambience reminiscent of cozy nights by the fireplace. But what really caught our attention was their resourcefulness when it came to finding inspiration for this design. The entire concept originated from various sets showcased here on this very site, a testament to the power of community sharing ideas and pushing one another towards greater creativity. Now let's talk about construction. They used PVC pipe as the base for these towering trees, attaching connectors to form a perfect circle, then passed through a pair ring suspended from a span set before tying off the string on the other side. This clever setup allowed them to achieve an impressive height while maintaining stability. We were also impressed with how cost-effective Joshua Scott and his team managed to be. Considering the sheer scale of their project, they estimated around $2,000 per tree in materials alone. Not bad for creating such an immersive experience. If you're looking to recreate this magical atmosphere at your own church or event venue, we've got all the details right here in the description below. Be sure to check it out and let us know what you think about this design in the comments section down below. Before we go, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video like this one. And if you liked today's content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support means everything to us. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.